Look at those cookies, Robin. Are you hungry? Are you going to eat one? No, Robin. Don't eat all of them at once. Why did you do that? Now you'll get hiccups. Come on, Robin. Don't make a fuss out of it. See, Robin, it's only hiccups. Such a drama, Prince. Drinking some water will surely help you. Oops! Oh no! Now Snow White has hiccups too. Beast, you have to help Robin and Snow White. They have hiccups. What is Beast up to? A scare? Good idea. Aww, you look so cute, Beast. Oh no, another hiccup victim. Your friends are having a contagious hiccup, Alice. They need your help. A spider! Wait, that's not a real spider. That's a toy. It's real! It's real! You're so naughty, Alice. Hey, it worked. No more hiccups. Yay! The spider cured you. Not again.
Shh! Don't make any noise. Sleeping Beauty is asleep. Oh, I see. You want her to play with you. Great idea. That will wake her up. Aren't you overdoing it a little bit? Shh. I think you're going to need something louder. Think, Alice. What could wake her up? Wow, that's a very big drum. You're such a good drummer, Alice. She's moving. Keep playing. Nothing can wake Sleeping Beauty up. Ooh. Finally! Sleeping Beauty woke up! Huh? What's that? No way! Oh, Alice is sleeping so peacefully. Feeling spooky, Rapunzel? Hurry, someone's coming. Those Halloween treats look delicious, Beast. How tricky. Do you want a cookie, Snow Queen? Snow Queen isn't easily scared. What was that? Who was making that noise? It's a ghost! You really got her this time, Rapunzel. Where did that pumpkin come from? Is anybody there? Oh no! A ghost! Looks like Snow Queen got you back. What's wrong, Rapunzel? A real ghost! Run! Getting ready for Halloween, Beast? Is that a spider? Looks like Rapunzel's pulling Halloween pranks. Oh, what's that noise, Alice? It's Rapunzel with her speaker. A scary movie? How fun! Don't worry, it's just Rapunzel dressed as a ghost. Looks like the prankster got pranked. Where's that bad smell coming from, Sleeping Beauty? Ew! Wolf is covered in dirt! Time to take a bath. Looks like Wolf doesn't want to. Where did Wolf go? Are you trying to escape from Sleeping Beauty? Uh-oh. Wolf, you need to get in the bathtub. Great idea! Toys make bathing way more fun. Who is taking so long? Bath time isn't so scary after all. Right, Wolf?
A perfect place to camp. What's wrong, Beast? Why are you scared? There's nothing here. All clear. There's no danger, Beast. It's a good time to eat. Let's go get the food. Did you hear something?
Huh?
What was that? What if it's a bear or a monster or a wolf? What can we do? Have you come up with something, Red? A trap! Great idea, Red. Let's catch that scary thief. Let's get the thief. Robin, so you were the thief who stole the food? You scared us. Let's release him. Run, guys, run!